Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay back again with the Crimson Camry. Today what we're doing is, I'm very excited to tell you this, but you already saw in the description or the title. Anyway, I'm installing the new style taillights called, I don't know, Maxima style, Nissan style, whatever style you want to call them. I'm gonna go by the title inside the website, Maxima style taillights to the Toyota Camry. I'm gonna show you what they look like. These just recently came out. They're by AEM tuners. As always, you already know I'm about straight to the point, no nonsense, straight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you these tail lights. I'm gonna kind of skip through the process of taking off the old tail lights. You guys already seen that in like 3 different videos. That way y'all could get right into enjoying your new tail lights to your Toyota Camry. So here we have the tail lights. What you're gonna see is 4 parts: inner tail lights and the outer tail lights. A lot of wires here. I guess, you know, it could be for if you have an XSC or SC. TRD, LE, it's a lot of wires here, so we're going ahead and play with these, figure out what they are. We've seen these wires before in a previous video, so these are pretty straightforward. Just a couple other harnesses that I think I've seen these before too. So these harnesses right here are new to me. Okay, so it doesn't look too crazy. These are the tail lights. The color variation for these is RBR. So just for my knowledge, I'm assuming that B stands for black lens, the R is for red lights, and I guess it might have red housing. Who knows, but we'll figure out when we turn them on. But this is what they look like. Pretty stealthy look. They look good to me, honestly. When I seen them in the pictures, I didn't really like them. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna feel about them after I put them on. I might sport them for a little while just because nobody has them. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. My famous tool that I use in every video, the flathead / pillow. All right, first thing I noticed about the tail lights that it does not come with a gasket on the outside. I'm not sure if these would fit. I might have to get my other ones for my BRB tail lights to put on here. Right, so these gaskets came from my BRB tail lights, the very first video I ever made. I'll put these on just because I believe that they're there for a reason. So put the tail light in there. All right, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these harnesses right here that come with it. These are for SC, LE, TRD. After you connect these two, you're gonna take this side, you're gonna plug into here. All right, and take this, plug it in here, you know, make sure they're connected. All right, you're gonna take this right here, these cords, red, yellow, and blue up here. All right, so make sure you got the female parts connected to the male parts. So you're gonna go ahead and plug this in right here, just like that. Stay tuned for that, hold on. We're gonna do that on both sides. Plug this in. All right. Next, we're gonna take these harnesses right here. One connects to your adapter, okay? Now we're gonna put the tail light in. This is the driver's side. The red and yellow is extremely short on the tail light, and the blue over here is extremely short too. So you're gonna plug in the blue to the blue. Okay, it clicked in. And then you're gonna take the red and yellow and connect it to the tail light before you put it actually inside the car. Which is kind of hard. You see, as you can see right here, it's like extremely tight in a way. A better way to help it is that if you pull this off right here, you give yourself a little bit more room, nothing too crazy. All right, and then you go take the harness and stick that back through the hole. It's kind of big, honestly, but oh, there you go. All right, when you put in the tail light back on, you want to make sure the brackets under here fit back underneath. Look for that alignment first, and then you want to make sure that you line this clip up in this hole with the tail light. So it should you should just slide right in. Now, you're gonna take this harness and you're gonna plug it, the male into the female, just like that, all right? Now you don't have to worry about all this stuff right here. You can tie the wires like you usually do. Throw these back here. All right. Now this is the part where it's kind of complicated. So this part right here, there's no blue, right? But there is a blue wire right here. I don't know why they didn't just do this to begin with, but you're going to need to take this black piece off like that. And you're going to stick this, as you see the blue right here, so you're gonna line it up and you're gonna stick it inside here, okay? And we're gonna do the same process over here. I already took the black piece off for this one. Line it up. You're gonna put it inside here. All right, another way you could do those blue wires, which is kind of more complicated, but if you're good with splicing wires, you could easily open this up, cut the wire, take the blue, cut that off, splice it together. That's another way to do it, but you don't need to go through all that if you could just do it that way. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and finish her out from there. All right, guys, I'm back. I need to go somewhere for better lighting because it got dark outside and where I live at doesn't have the best lighting. So I wanted to show you the tail lights in action and some good nighttime lighting and see what you think. So here is the tail lights. This is the daytime running light function right here. It looked pretty good. I kind of like this right here. This looks pretty cool. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and turn on the turn signals / hazards again. Yeah, that looks really cool. So yeah, let me know what you think about these taillights in the comments below. If you want these taillights, they are a limited supply through AEM Tuners on Instagram. I'm gonna leave the link inside the description below directly straight to them. They are about $450 to $500, about $475, $80, somewhere around there. So they are pretty pricey because they're exclusive. I'm like the third person that's running around with these taillights now. So get your hands while you have now. I think we only have like 10 to 15 more pair left. So yeah, till next time, guys, deuces.